Plastic waste has been an issue and can be a serious one too. Every year, around 500 billion plastic bags are used worldwide. More than 1 million bags are used every minute. Around 80% of plastic in our ocean originate from land entering the sea by rivers. The waste will travel far by the ocean current. Since the cost of treating polluted water is too high, total water availability is reduced. Polluted water are therefore unsafe to drink.
Landfill is one of the factors of water pollution. Total of 20 landfill are located in Selangor, Malaysia. This includes the Ampar Tenang landfill site, which was closed in 2010. However, the dump site is not being covered according to the classification. In addition, municipal solid waste was dumped directly on top of the unlined natural alluvium formation. This does not only contaminate surface and subsurface soil, but also initiate the potential risk of groundwater pollution.
The number of months per year in which severe pollution levels of fecal coliform bacteria occur in different stretches over the period of 2 years. The fecal coliform bacteria indicate the presence of sewage contamination and associate with water pollution in the rivers. This database visualizes water quality parameters for major rivers around the world.
Next, untreated waste from industry make a huge effect onto the environment. Sungai Kim Kim being polluted, this time with oily spot that emit a foul stench. Residents near the river, including students, suffered breathing difficulties, nausea and fainting. A 1.5 km stretch of Sungai Kim Kim was found to be polluted, and a cleaning operation saw the disposal of 1,500 tons of river water and 900 tons of pollutant. Corrective action by conducting surprise inspection and surveillance to make sure no one is dumping untreated waste into the river.
Several thousand litres of hazardous waste is believed to have been dumped into the inland water consortium sewage system to a factory lot in Rawang, which caused the pollution in Sungai Selangor. Authorities raided the factory lot in Tamil Galops where they found 40 chemical tanks, each with the capacity of 1,000 litres. The company was believed to have used a sewage manhole near a toilet in the premise to dump chemical waste. The sewer is connected to an IWK waste treatment plant about 300 meters away and flow into Sungai Selangor via Sungai Gong. The pollution had forced Luas to shut down 4 water treatment plants.
One of the frequently encountered issues is a fast fashion disaster. Fast fashion is a term used in a fashion that requires rapid design, large production and distribution that allow the consumer to get more product variety at a lower price. This fast-paced production usually involves using toxic and water-wasting material to produce textile. The fashion industry should stop producing more clothing than it can sell. If the fast fashion industry stops overproducing, there will be fewer dumping and incineration procedure. The fashion industry must limit the production of new collection and refocus on high quality, long-lasting product rather than cheap disposable. This issue can be avoided by assessing trend forecasts and eliminating textile waste during manufacturing.
Next is the clinical waste during outbreak COVID-19. There is a growing concern over the unprecedented increase in single-use, including glove, mask, food and medical test kits since the COVID-19 pandemic began. The management of waste arising from single-use is a troubling upshot which has wrecked the global healthcare system and disturbed the economy of NAQIB. So how to manage this waste is by transporting it to the incinerator to be burned. First, we have to collect all the trash to burn it. From this, it can generate enough heat and energy to power thousands of homes and no negative impact on the environment because of the filter. The ash will be transported and submerged to a special water.
Next, the toxic foam issue occur in the river of India and Colombia. Essentially, the release of poorly treated or even completely untreated sewage is responsible for the flooding and foaming of the river water. Exposure to highly concentrated level of ammonia can cause lung damage, blindness or death, while low doses might cause coughing or discomfort in your nose and throat. Water sprinkling activities were used to dissipate the toxic foam and get rid of it. Other initiatives include improving the city sewage treatment capacity and effort, cleaning major drain, desilting stormwater drain, and taking action against industry that generate untreated waste. Furthermore, the technology of the existing treatment plant must be upgraded to ensure that the treated water discharge meet normal standards.
Next is excessive lithium lithium mining for electrical vehicle. Most lithium produced extract the mineral from hard rock in places like South America from salt brines with salinization of fresh water that the local need to survive. Since the mineral contain dangerous substance, the mining process also contaminate the local water basin. So lithium extraction expose the local ecosystem to poisoning and other related health problems. Overall, large amount of water pollution might create a severe imbalance in the local ecosystem and adversely affect the environment. So, how to reduce the use of lithium? Find suitable source of lithium. For considering launching lithium extraction operation in country with strict environment law and regulation. The bottom line is that we should make electric vehicle truly safe by supporting the effort to develop environment-friendly battery and adopting suitable extraction process.
In conclusion, waste pollution and solid pollution is a serious environmental issue. For example, water pollution can directly affect human health. By drinking water containing chemical waste such as pesticide can be at risk of cancer, hormone disruption, and kidney problem. Solid waste pollution also affect ecosystem. Some ecosystem like seabirds, whale, and turtle mostly die because of the solid waste such as plastic and straw, and some of them also suffer from infection. In conclusion, environment is a precious gift on this planet. Our environment is facing a big danger. Saving environment is the need